Okay, so there are 20 questions and one simple extra question. 20 questions on each year of 21st century. So question number 1 is equal to 2001, question number 2 is equal to 2002, question number 3 is equal to 2003. That's how it goes on. And everyone just...
Answer is 2002, 2003.
No. The clue is 2001, 2002, 2003. I'll start with the first question. Question number 1, obviously 2001. So The Exile, this is a book by former CIA agents. So in this book, they suspect that certain event was approved by ISI to divert the Pakistani forces from Durand Line to provide an easy passage to Bin Laden into Pakistan. So Smriti burst first. Smriti, you can unmute yourself and answer. So I'm looking for an event.
9/11.
Not 9/11. Now I'll go with team number 1, that is Rajana.
I'm not sure of the year. Maybe was this?
Smriti, stop me before giving the clues. So, Bin Laden was in Afghanistan. He wants to escape into Pakistan because America invaded Afghanistan. So, America invaded Afghanistan only after 9/11. So, what happened after 9/11? So, some event approved by ISI to enable the easy passage to Bin Laden to pass over to Pakistan during the invasion of Afghanistan by America. Yeah, Naraja.
I'm not sure of the year. I'll guess this was that Sri Lankan team being attacked or something.
2001, Sri Lanka was attacked in 2009 or 10, right? I mean, Sri Lankan team.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I pass.
Okay, Arun, team 2.
I'm going to guess this is the Pakistani army taking on the tribal. They're starting the war in the tribal areas of Pakistan. So there's a lot of confusion, and then anybody could come in and go out.
No, not exactly. Sandeep, team 3.
Is it the attack on Indian Parliament?
Yes, this is attack on Indian Parliament. So Parliament attack, which happened on December 13, 2001. So as soon as the Parliament attack happened, Pakistan diverted the forces from Durand Line towards Kashmir and Punjab. So this CIA says that during that time, Bin Laden passed over into Pakistan, slipped into Pakistan, and since then he's there only until 2011 he was killed. So that was question number 1.
Wait, the implication being that the whole Parliament attack was for the sake of Bin Laden?
Yes. So that's the theory some CIA didn't say in this book. Second question, be ready on the buzzers. This is a video question. Just watch the video and tell me.
It went into people's lives.
In a moment, the country changed. We realized by being who we are good enough. We don't need to aspire to be anybody else.
And it became a "we can do it too" statement to the world. And I think it was a coming of age for a generation that was seeking that kind of message.
It captures a certain uprising from old thoughts and old bondages and old compunctions.
India's character had changed. We were not meek. We were not inferior. We are not going to be docile.
We will not take a step back any longer. We are equal. We have arrived. It was the equivalent of a strategically pointed finger at the English establishment.
If that moment was replayed again, would all of India want Ganguly to take on the balcony? And I think all of India would.
"1947 was our political freedom. 1991 was our economic freedom. And 2002 was our emotional freedom, a freedom to fly."
Yeah, so Arun and Sandeep were buzzed even before the video started. Arun, you were the first one to buzz, so...
Should I even answer it? Because I know it, right?
Yeah, this is one of the 2 questions which I recently used in other quiz. So, okay.
I'll just answer it.
Yeah, go on. Answer it.
That was 2002 series. Saurav Ganguly takes up his shirt and...
Yes. So this is 2002 at Lord's Stadium when Saurav Ganguly removes his shirt. So I'll play the entire video.
Full house here at Lord's and no
everybody has left their seats.
Magnificent effort here today. They're 2 runs off winning.
Goes for the single. Direct hit was required. They don't get it. Sahil scampers for the second. India have won. Saurav Ganguly is thrilled to bits. One of India's.
Okay, so that was it. Okay, question number 3. Be ready on the buzzers. Okay, in both English and French, the word means agreement, harmony, or union. Although the initial name went with the French spelling suffixed by U, it was later changed by British PM in early 60s to the English spelling, which obviously does not have E in it. However, the British government added back E to the name by explaining that it stood for excellence, England, Europe, and entity. So what started in 60s was abruptly stopped in 2003. So yeah, Vikyat already buzzed, so I'll not give any clues. So let's go with Vikyat's answer and then see if he gets it wrong, we'll go for others. Vikyat, unmute yourself.
I think this is Concorde. The supersonic flights were cancelled.
Yeah. This is of course Concorde, the Concorde supersonic jets. So initially it was Concorde with E. Later for a few years or few months, I think it was without E, just CO and CORD, and later came Concorde. In 2003, the service of Concorde was suddenly stopped because of economic viability, etc. That was question 3. Question number 4, just be ready on buzzers. Okay, these are the 3 minimal posters of a movie, 2003 commercially unsuccessful 2003 movie. But a small dialogue from this movie became famous 23 months later. So, which movie? And identify the geographical event. So, obvious people buzzed here. I'm surprised the answer did not buzz yet. So, Praveen is the first one to buzz. PJ, go on.
Yeah, so the movie is Anbe Shivam by Kamal Hassan.
Okay.
And the dialogue is like, and the Manasidan Sir Kadavul.
So, what is it about? I'm not asking the dialogue. The geographical event. Hello? Praveen, you're on mute. Hello?
Event in.
Okay, so you need the geographical event.
Yes. I don't want the dialogue.
Okay, so geographical. I have no idea of the event. Geographical event.
Then I'll go with Rajana.
I think I buzzed early because I went for Anbe Shivam only. And
you told me about this. Okay, go on.
Okay. Yeah. Just I'll tell. No. Not it. I'll tell you what. I think the geographical event. Okay. The 2003, 23 months tsunami. He used the word tsunami for the first time.
Yes. So there's a very small dialogue. There's some 4 seconds dialogue conversation between Madhavan and Kamal Hassan about tsunami in this movie, which comes in January 2003, but the real tsunami comes in December 2004. So after the tsunami comes, this dialogue becomes famous that Kamal Hassan used this in the movie. Madhavan uses it first and then Kamal Hassan uses it.
Vishnu, just a suggestion, maybe just take the top 3 buzzers. No?
Okay, fine.
Probably, yeah.
Okay. So anyone wants the code again? 72732235. I'm going to the 5th question. I hope everyone is ready. Okay, identify these pictures and connect them. Just connect them. Just give me a political controversy by connecting the 3 pictures, 3 people you can see here. The first one I think is no one buzzed so far. I think the first one is easy. Okay, answer buzzed. Only one person buzzing on this. Go on, answer now. If you're speaking, you're on mute, answer Anna. Hello?
Okay, right. It is 2005. 2005 is the year where. 2005, Saddam Hussein was hanged. The hanging of Saddam Hussein.
I think Saddam was hanged in 2006. Not sure. Not hanging of Saddam Hussein. No one else bound.
Okay, I'm positive.
No one else bust. So I'll go with Raja Anna.
Is that Natwar Singh? Is that Natwar Singh? The right.
That is Natwar Singh, but I need the connect.
Oh, right.
Raja Anna, your guess, your chance as team one.
I think you should open it with a clue, like because nobody is anyway guessing. I mean,
Open, yeah. Saddam Hussein is the first person. Natwar Singh is the last person. And if I give the second person, that's the answer. So I'm not giving it.
Wait, second person? You mean second person is the answer?
Yeah, the controversy is named after him. There are two names.
Can I buzz or are we on bounce?
We are on bounce right now.
Okay.
Okay, Raja. Any guess?
No, I pass.
Okay, Raja passes. Arun?
is this something to do with oil for rupee?
Yes. This is oil for food scandal, and is Paul Walker. Walker report was a controversy which created across the world. So Natwar Singh, Congress party was actually indicated in the scandal, but they blamed everything on Natwar Singh. And he resigned. In 2005, he resigned. So in India, Natwar Singh is famous for this controversy, and worldwide there were several leaders who were involved in this controversy. So Alpha Food program. Vikyat, this was your guess?
Yeah. He's Paul Walker. I mean,
Yeah.
that's the only thing I knew.
Okay. You didn't know Saddam Hussein?
Saddam Hussein I knew, but I didn't know Natwar Singh what the connect was. I only knew the Walker.
So I'll take the top 3 buzzers from now. Next question, be ready on the buzzers.
I'll tell you what, if nobody is buzzing because the question is hard, then you can sort of give a clue and then reopen the buzz.
Yeah, fine.
Or then just kill it after.
Okay.
That'll be very fast.
Yeah. Question number 6. This is easy. I think everyone should be buzzing by now. So connect this person in picture to a company's name, which means a series of short, high-pitched calls or sounds, or talks in high-pitched voice, or talk rapidly at length in a trivial way. So Arun, Raja, and Sandeep bounce.
My slide has not moved. I think it's a connection problem. Okay, carry on.
Okay, Arun, go on.
Larry Bird and Twitter.
Yeah, that's Larry Bird and Twitter. Everyone can see the slides, right? Only problem with Vikyat, is it?
Yeah, we are able to see.
I mean, I'm able to see the video and all moving. Now the slide moved. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this is Twitter and Larry Bird. Okay, that was simple. 2007. Okay, I mean question number 7. Just be ready on buzzers. Okay, next question. Be ready on buzzers. Again, an easy one. So why did this internet communication appliance launched by Cisco in 1998 came into limelight in 2007? Simple one. Business quizzes here might be knowing it just like that. Okay, 2 people buzzed. I'll go with Sandeep.
So did Steve Jobs make a first call of his iPhone, this device?
Okay, I'll go to the second person who buzzed. Answer.
Cisco named it iPhone. The iPhone was originally owned by Cisco.
Yes, that's the answer. So not was, it is still owned by Cisco only. Cisco owns the trademark for iPhone. Apple has some agreement with Cisco to introduce the thing. Now Cisco is not producing anything, but I think they might be paying some royalty or something, not sure. So when iPhone was launched, Cisco filed a lawsuit against Apple, and later they settled it off court. So this iPhone originally made by Cisco. Answer, Arun, that was your answer?
Yeah, that was my answer.
Okay.
Because it's written in I info something on top and then phone, I think.
Yeah, it's actually written iPhone. At this corner, iPhone is written. Here it's info gear.
Yeah, another.
Okay, next. Everyone please mute. No, Ansaran, I think you need to mute. Ansaran, can you mute yourself? Yeah. Okay, question number 7. Be ready with buzzers. Okay, this structure was originally designed to have a roof, but the plan was scrapped due to the rising steel prices. Hence, the guns with silver-iodide bullets were used for what purpose? So, I got 2 buzzers. Sandeep is the first one to buzz. Sandeep, answer.
2008 Beijing Olympics.
Okay, and
opening ceremony and stadium, the Bird's Nest or something, the name of the stadium.
Okay, that's not the question. The question is why were these silver iodide bullets and guns were used? I mean, basically, why were this set up? No clue?
It was like to create pyro for the opening ceremony.
Pyro, you mean the fireworks?
Yeah.
Okay, Arun, you are the second person to buzz.
Yeah, that is also my guess. This is the Bird's Cube, and then they created the entire Buddha's feet team. That was created using guns.
Okay, Raja is the third person to buzz.
Sorry for the latest man, because the phone I kept for charge. Okay, sorry.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, see, yeah. This one, they China was suffering from. Beijing was suffering from famine. They didn't have rainfall at all. So they actually created artificial rainfall with these machines. They created clouds. They created artificial clouds. What?
Yeah, go on, Arun. No point, but just go on.
Raja, it's actually to divert off rain. So silver iodide will work.
Exactly. So they want the games to be dry. So they diverted the rains. I mean, they diverted the clouds to the other cities. So they did not allow clouds to come over Beijing. So they want the games to be dry. So silver iodide is used for cloud seeding. They'll go in aeroplanes and.
What is it? Cloud
seeding. That's called cloud seeding.
Okay.
Yeah. It happens in India also. It happened in Maharashtra.
Already have. Then silver iodide it will rain.
Yeah.
And the clouds will get spread out. So then you will have a dry.
Okay.
Yeah. So just 4 or 5 hours before the Beijing Olympics started, they fired the bullets from the Beijing. They fired the bullets towards outside the Beijing, so that the clouds will be directed towards the silver iodide. So Beijing was clear during the games. There was no rain during the Beijing Olympics. So that was the purpose. So divert the rains from. This is bird's nest. Birds. Someone said bird's box or something. The bird's nest. Okay. Next question coming up.
I said bird's nest.
Okay, I think Arun said birds, box, something. Okay, question number 9 coming up. Be ready with your buzzers. Okay, connect the above entities to something not just limited to Hyderabad, but had a global.
Other is not active.
Okay, Sandeep, go on. Sandeep is the first person to buzz.
This is related to the Satyam scandal.
Yeah, go on. Explain that.
So I know that those companies were associated with Satyam, but I don't know the exact.
Okay, Satyam is a scandal anyway, but okay, I will go with Arun to explain. Give the explanation.
I think these are the shell companies to which parts of. So what in the Satyam scandal happened is they moved all the losses to other entities, and then they showed that the other companies are profitable. These are the shell companies to which the loss were moved.
Not exactly. That might be the scandal, but these are not exactly in it. Next one is answer Anna.
The SIFI is Satyam Infoway actually.
Yes. And how is Hyderabad Metro connected to it? That's a simple one.
Hyderabad Metro is they could have provided some software support for Hyderabad Metro.
No. So I'll give the answer. In answer, it's only Satyam Scandal. So Hyderabad Metro was initially given to Maitas. Maitas was the infrastructure arm of Satyam. Everyone knows, right? Maitas is the ulta of Satyam. So Maitas was infrastructure arm of
Yes,
Satyam.
Maitas. His son.
It was given to Maitas and then it was cancelled. Later it was given to L&T. That was one. And Satyam Infoway is the first company in India to provide internet services. And, it was not a subsidiary of Satyam. It was given to someone else. Satyam Infoway is still a profitable company headquartered in Chennai. Ivay Center. I think everyone remembers the Satyam Ivay Centers. Ivay Centers are the internet cafes in the early 2000s.
They are very famous for Decibaba browsing centers. Oh, sorry. Okay. They're famous browsing centers. I have been there.
Yeah, even I have been there. Smriti, you're disconnected from the buzzer. If you're there, maybe you can try it once. Next one, be ready on the buzzers. Question number 10. Which floating marvel in Indian sports history was designed by world-renowned architect Mark Fisher and brought to life by British balloon maker Linston Technologies in 2010? So Arun burst first. Arun, go on with the answer. Arun,
This is that Commonwealth Games thing which they had that thing projected aero balloon kind of structure.
Yeah, exactly. So Sandeep and answer. You had the same answer.
Yeah, same thing.
No. I had other guess.
Okay, so this is the Commonwealth aerostat, which was the unique thing which was there during the CWA, and that was used as a screen. So that was the attraction. So people say that's one thing which removed all the allegations which were blamed against Commonwealth Games before it was started. Okay, that was question number 10. 10 more questions to go. Be ready on buzzers. Question number 11. So Swedish Water Department got inspiration to increase water resources in one of their islands from this Army Veterans Initiative in India. Who is he? Only one person burst so far. Arun, I'll go with Arun.
Who is the old guy who goes on Satyagraha? What? With this Lokpal.
You're giving the clues to others. Yeah, see, others are buzzing.
I know. I'm step out of time. Okay, please, next person, please say.
Okay, Raja Anna.
This is Anna Hazare.
Yeah, this is Anna Hazare.
Thanks, Arun.
Super, pa. It happened to legendary quizzer.
This is Anna Hazare. Next question, be ready on buzzers. You should be careful before buzzing on the next question. Just think and buzz, okay? Why was this institute created in 2008? Sorry for the framing. Why was this institute created in 2008? That's the question. I got 2 buzzers. So, almost 4 people buzzed out of 5. Answer, go on. You are the first person to buzz.
Oh, I wrong, but yeah, negative -100. I thought it was the 2012 that car that 2012 movie Kim Jong-un movie. They released one movie na. So
go on.
Sony Pictures.
So
that movie. For that movie, the hacking scandal, they hacked the salaries of Sony employees. That's for that they created.
You're connecting 2 different movies, no? You're connecting the interview with 2012.
No, he's talking about the movie that released. in 2012.
Okay, I'm passing it. Please.
Okay, Arun.
Mayan calendar end year and all that thing, and then so basically end of the world is happening in 2012, and so they're trying to figure out how to.
Okay, Sandeep.
So this website or entity was created to promote on internet that 2012 is going to be the end of the world, so that the movie gets a lot of viewership.
Yes.
After
exactly.
Mayan predicted and all that, the Hawks used to go on saying that 2012.
So
December
this was
21st.
created by Sony Pictures to promote 2012. So in 2008, this was created to promote the movie which was released in 2009 about 2012. So this was Hawks website just created to promote 2012, nothing else. And because of this website, NASA got many calls inquiring about the project, the ARC project, which these people take up in Tibet. That was question 12. Be ready for buzzers on question number 13.
Vishnu, I think you have to refresh the buzzer.
Yes, I refreshed the buzzer. Okay, keep this safely as a piece of history, Mom. The second message is, while we communicate with improving modern means, let us simply sample a bit of history, the end of an era. So these were some of the last, while content of the last one is not in public domain, but sent to a public figure on July 14, 2013. What is this about and who was it sent to? Sandeep burst it first. Sandeep, go on.
This is the last telegram that was sent to Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, Vikyat and Arun, was that your answer too?
Yeah, that was my guess. Yeah.
So this
In
is
post telegram, right?
last telegraph to Rahul Gandhi. The content, I tried to get the content of what was sent to him, but it was not available anywhere.
Hopefully, you will be the next Prime Minister.
Maybe.
Definitely, yeah.
Knowing all the people I know on this group, it's not a good idea to start this right now.
Next
I was predicting the content of the telegram.
Okay.
That bus was for approving what Vikyat said.
Okay. Next question. Question number 14. This is a repeated question from one of my previous quizzes, so just be ready on buzzers. Many must have seen it. Yeah. So this German innovator transported his latest development to India to pitch it to Rahul Gandhi and Alkia Advani. Both were reluctant to buy it. Then a Bollywood filmmaker directs him to someone else who adopts it immediately and went on to create a history. So who was this customer who created the history, and what is this technology about? Arun burst first. Arun, go on.
I'm guessing this is holograph and hologram and Narendra Modi.
Yes, so this is 3D hologram technology used by Narendra Modi. So 2014, it was actually initially first used in 2013 Gujarat election, but used across the country in 2014. I'm clearing the buzzers. Next question. Easy one again. Persuaded by Meghnad Saha, Netaji established it in 1938, headed by M. Vishwesharaya. Vishwesharaya stepped down to give way to Nehru. What was last changed by Narendra Modi? Vikyat is the first one to answer.
Oh, me?
No.
Answer.
Yeah, it says answer here, Vishnu.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's Planning Commission.
Yeah, it's Planning Commission. It was discontinued on January 1st, 2015, and Niti Aayog came since then. So this was the first day. Planning Commission
was established in 1950, right?
19 what? 19? No, initially before independence, it was started by Congress Party. Then it was started by this Bombay plan was there, no? The people of Bombay, the businessmen of Bombay were there, and then British government also approved it. Then again started by Nehru officially under the government of India. Under the government of India. But it was first started in 1938. The first planning commission, first ever, whether it be official or unofficial. It was first started by Netaji. Vishwesvaraya was the first president. Nehru was the second president, and Nehru restarted it in 50 again.
Yeah.
Okay. This is another instance where a South Indian movie predicted something in advance. So which movie? Vikyat, answer. Vikyat is the first one. Answer. Sandeep. Vikyat.
This is demonetization.
I know this is demonetization. That's not the answer. So which movie?
Wait, you want the movie? Oh no. Oh, I didn't read. Oh God.
Okay.
One second.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, give it answer.
Answer Anna. Answer Anna.
Pichekaran.
Sandeep.
No, it's Pichekaran, man.
No. It is there.
It's not that.
It is there in Pichekaran also. But I took the screenshot of some movie, which you can see in the screen. Is a screenshot taken from some movie. It says 2008. So Pichekaran came in 2014, right? 14 or 15.
Oh, sorry.
So this
2008.
Yeah, the screenshot says 2008. Movie is not 2008. Movie is even before. Okay, Sandeep.
It should be. Okay, Sandeep. It should be Shivaji.
Huh?
No, man, I'm not sure.
Not sure. Arun also burst. Arun.
I'm just going to become a very bad guess. Dashavataram.
Dashavataram came in 2008. As I said, the movie came even before 2008.
Wait, did everyone guess to say demonetization only, like me?
No, I guess for.
Yeah, go on. Open for guesses. Anyone just go on. Just shout out.
Hey, wait, can someone do the favor of like reading the Tamil headline? What is written?
It's there in English, right? Within 1 month time, all the 500,000 notes.
Okay.
கருப்பு பண வேட்டை தீவிரம் ரூபாய் 1000 பணம் செல்லாது மத்திய அரசு அறிவிப்பு.
It came in 2008, does it? That's what I'm saying.
The movie came in 2007. They predicted that something will happen in 2008. Not predicted, I mean...
Shivaji, right? Shivaji.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm saying it for... I said it 10 times already. Shivaji.
Is it? You said Pichekaran, no?
Yeah, so I changed my answer.
No.
He said...
I already said Shivaji.
Yeah, he had said Shivaji.
After you said 2008, I said Shivaji.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't answer. I thought that was my answer. But then I thought...
Be ready on buzzers. Question number 17. So Betty Davis missed her Oscar nomination in 1930, which gave Academy a lot of bad media coverage. That same year, the Academy also saw accusations of fraudulent tabulating. What did they do to overcome these accusations, and why was it in news in 2017? Arun and answer bust. Arun. Vikyat also bust. Arun.
PwC became the first auditor for Oscars, and then in 2017 they were in news because this guy who was texting, the guy who was supposed to hand out the envelope gave the wrong envelope out because he was texting the results out or something.
Yes. So Ansar and Vikyat, you had the same answers?
Yeah, the Moonlight mess up of theirs, PwC.
Of course, we have PwC in mind.
Yeah. So this is PwC was roped in 1935. Since then, they are doing it every year. And in 2017, the PwC was in news because of the goof up. That was 17. And question 18. Be ready on buzzers. So, sister of Mahishasura, her name is Manchambika, was cursed by a saint to turn into a demonic buffalo, who was vanquished and released from the curse by a prince from Kerala. She then proposes to marry him, but the prince puts her on hold with a condition. Why was this story in news after 28th September 2018? So only one person burst. Sandeep? Answer Anna? Sandeep, go on. Then answer Anna.
I thought this was...
answer. Go on.
That was wrong, but I simply for the sake of it, I'll say Jallikattu.
This is what everyone guessed when I hosted it at KSHL. Answer Anna. Answer Anna.
What was his guess again? Sorry?
Jallikattu was his guess.
No. My guess is changed. This is something to do with the...
No, wait. Your guess is that's it. Answer Anna.
Is it Nipah virus? Nipah river?
No, not Nipah. Why will we... No, wait, Sandeep, you're done. Rajana?
I'm passing it.
Rajan.
So,
Answer pass. Raja.
I don't know what is the story here, but I'm just going from the first 4 lines. Okay, what you said. I think something to do with women entering Sabarimala. Okay, so I think Manchambika was not allowed to enter Sabarimala, or maybe she was allowed or not allowed. Something, one of it. But something to do with Sabarimala verdict.
Yeah, Sabarimala verdict came on 28th September, so it's related to Sabarimala verdict only. So this is the reason why, one of the reasons why women are not allowed into Sabarimala, like somewhere connected. So Manchambika, also known as Mallika Purathamma, has a village, has a temple there. Arun might explain us more about it. So she proposes to marry Ayyappa. He says he keeps some rule that until no Kanniswami comes to this temple, I'll not marry you. So she keeps on waiting there. So there's some story. This was in news because of the woman entry movement which happened, like the judgment on woman entry which Supreme Court gave on September 28th. Be ready on buzzers. Question 19. Okay. Rebecca Mercury is a computer scientist. A transparent method proposed and named after her is basis for which device that was universally used at every center of an independent organization in India in mid-2019. Answer Anna first. Only one person. Okay, Answer Anna, go on. Arun is the next one. Arun, Answer Anna. You're on mute if you're answering something.
Is it
Rebecca Mercury might not help
EVM?
you.
Is it EVM?
This is what everyone answered when it was originally hosted. No. Arun, you're the second person to pass.
I was going to say EVM, but now I changed my guess. Say, okay, this might not be correct time. But TRP machine, that thing that 2023.
What is TRP machine? I don't know if TRP has any machine. Sandeep is the third person to guess. I mean, bus. Sorry.
Just I'm guessing based on from EVM, like the VVPAT which was introduced in voter verified paper audit track.
Yes. This is VVPAT. This was VVPAT was first used in 2013, but universally, like it was made compulsory by the Supreme Court to use it at all the election booths. Wherever Election Commission of India is hosting, doing an election, they need to use VVPAT everywhere. So this is voter.
What is the thing with named after her then?
Mercury method. She proposed the design and it should look like this. So it's just she's considered as a world famous election expert.
Okay.
Question number 20. 2 more to go. Okay, a thin green line observed. I need the exact answer. So buzz after you think about it. So a thin green line observed during a solar eclipse was thought to be radiating from an undiscovered element and was named X as it was observed during an eclipse. So Mendeleev theorized this element could be lighter than hydrogen and renamed it as Newtonium. It was only in 1950 when we came to know that the green and other lights during the eclipse are due to ionized metals. So what is X? I need exact X. Arun, go on. Arun is the first one to buzz.
Helium and noble elements.
Sandeep?
I am simply guessing corona.
Vikyat?
No, my guess was also helium.
Okay, you should remember the theme. Why would the helium come in T20? I have no religion to. Like, I don't remember reading anything about helium in 2020. Open to all. Anyone can just shout out. I need the exact answer. Sandeep was close, but not. I just said exact answer.
The first giant thing.
Huh? First?
No, that is not an element, no? That is that Venus thing.
Sandeep was close, but I'm not taking that as answer. I need the exact X. No other thing is accepted here.
So what did he guess? If it's okay. What did he guess? Sandeep?
I said corona.
He said corona.
Corona. Chromium.
No.
Is it something that is used in the testing to like identify the?
This is not a real element. They predicted that this is a future element, but now this element is just a fake element. It's not there. It was like, right, in the periodic table, many elements which are not existing, they just have the number. So even this had a number, but it was removed later. So this was a predicted element which was not known.
Element could be lighter than hydrogen.
Yeah. That's what they expected it to be, but it's not an element. It's so simple. Like, once I give the clues, everyone got it.
Photon. Is it photon or like?
Wait, is this the ray of X-ray or something?
No. It's just an element. Just an element which was predicted, but the prediction was wrong. What is that element? That's it. And Sandeep got
Coronium.
What did you say?
Coronium.
Yeah, this is of course coronium.
Right? No. I heard someone say that.
You said corona.
No, someone said chromium.
Arun said chromium. Coronium is the answer. And the last question, easy one. I think everyone should be able to buzz on it. Be ready with buzzers. So, which English idiom arises in 1920s from the superstition among the theatre artists and dancers that wishing good luck to a person going on stage itself considered bad? Arun, Raja, and Vikyat buzzed. Raja, sorry. Arun?
Break a leg.
Yeah, this is break a leg. And I kept this as the last question because I want to say this. Wish you a very sad 2021.
Wish you the same.
This is going to get uploaded on LinkedIn. You're wishing them all sad 2021.
Yeah.
I'm taking a screenshot of this just in case 2021 turns out the way 2020 has. It won't age well.
2020 is not dead. There's a video out, no? 2020 is not dead. Like that entire Black Mirror.
Wait, what?
Nice quiz, Vishnu. Very nice one.
Very nice.
Thank you, Ba.
Yeah.